cats, welcome back to Music Education for All. Fendel here, and I wanted to do a quick review for you on the Rico Metalite baritone saxophone mouthpiece, specifically the M7. And I just got this not too long ago because I was renting a bass saxophone from my friend, and then my buddy gave me a Barry, very old one. This came in handy. I ordered this mouthpiece. I don't know, they go for like 25 bucks or so. I'm just kind of spin that around so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's made really well, I think, and it plays really decent. Let's see, I know that these were designed after the Arnold Brillhart. At least that's what it says here. I've had old Brillhart mouthpieces before, and some of them are really, really good. Designed by Arnold Brillhart and offer brilliant qualities of metal using durable composite material. The material mouthpiece is Metalite. Mouthpieces are free-blowing and feature several facing options. I see. So there's the M5, the M7, and the M9. And the M9 most open, works best with soft to medium reeds. They all work with medium reeds. Anyway, so you get the idea. I want to just mention one really important thing about this, and is that it does not come with the ligature and the mouthpiece cap. So you do have to order these separately, and you're going to need this unless you have a ligature, a Barry ligature that will fit that. And then there's the cap that goes with it. Now, I've seen a lot of these caps. I am not a big fan of them. They're okay. They're plastic, but they don't have they don't stand up at all, which is kind of, I just don't quite understand why the design doesn't accommodate that any longer, like the old mouthpiece caps. That's my only gripe about that very little one. It's not like that big of a deal, but yeah, the mouthpiece cap and the ligature together, I think were another like 28 bucks, 30 bucks. So almost, yeah, as much as the mouthpiece itself. I will say it does play really well. I wish that the horns that I've been testing on played better. But I'm excited to keep trying this mouthpiece out. And I'd say this is really good for anybody who's just kind of getting into baritone saxophone. If you want to try out something without spending a huge amount of money, this would probably be a great way to go. Beyond that, is it for a professional? Yeah, I mean, it works fine. And it sounds perfectly fine. Does it have a lot of character of sound? I don't know. Maybe, probably not, but it works. And that's what you're trying to get out of this mouthpiece, is something that works really well, that holds up. It's obviously really good, really well made, and yeah, I've really enjoyed honking on it so far. So that's my little review. The Rico Metalite baritone saxophone mouthpiece M7. I'm using a 3.5 fiber cell reed on it. In case you were wondering. Seems to work fine. I'm sure a 3 would be great on it too. So, wishing you all a beautiful day. Peace, love, and hair grease. Fendel out.